Welcome to Granddota Kitchen. Hello everyone. So today we are going to be cooking okra soup, and here we have some fish, some okras, we have some meat, we have some seasoning. We also have some curry powder. Also some onions, of course. So guys, if you want to try this out, I will leave the recipe in the description box. So if you want to know how it tastes, you can try it out in your kitchen. So there is red oil and some salt and water. So here I will be putting the meat inside. So I will let it boil, and this is like my magic pressure cooker. It's very good at making meat soft. So here we'll close it. And add a little bit salt to the fish so that it enters in it, gives it a better taste after. So close it and put it on heat. Boil it just like the meat. So the meat is done and it's nice and soft. That's why I like to boil it fast, because you want to eat meat when it's ready. We've been told that we should cook meat and it should get ready. Yeah. So here I'm adding in the red oil. Yeah. Guys, how have you been? How are you? I hope you're doing all right. So I added in also the onions, and I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. So I mix it a little bit just to make sure that everything is mixed well. Guys, I'm feeling positive vibes just like every day. I'm so thankful to God, for life, for health, just for everything. He's amazing. So I mix it. Really good. And I turned the background noise a little bit off because there was some fault in the audio. So I hope it's alright that you don't hear some sound sometimes. So to my ladies, to the ladies, okra is nice. Okra is nice. I will leave you some information in the description box how okra is nice to the ladies. So here I've added some seasoning, some curry powder. I had mixed them together. And here we add some black pepper. You can add in as much black pepper as you wish, but I'm adding in this one, and I'm not putting in a lot because I'm eating with the kids. So the okras are inside. You can add the okras immediately after adding the spices. That's the right time. So I'm adding in some water from the meat. I did not throw it away. Yeah, because the flavor stays inside. Wouldn't be a good idea to use plain water. So I mix it very well. Add in a little bit more. So here we have some fish. The fish that we put on fire is now ready, and I'm gonna put it inside. You don't wanna cook it a lot because it's already soft. And this is ice fish, guys. But you can use any fish that you have. If you have dry fish, it's also a good idea. Look at this, how it has turned out. Look at it, the fish is flying. I didn't know fish can fly. Who said fish can't fly? Fish is flying. Am I lying? Fish is flying. So I've added in some water from the fish also, so we get that flavor also. Guys, this sauce, you can eat it with pounded yam, you can have it with rice, you can have it with banku, you can have it with kalo, you can have it with, I don't know, just anything you wish, because here at Granddota Kitchen we do not have rules when it comes to food. You can pretty much eat anything you wish. Sorry, slipping of the tongue. So here it is, and the red oil is on top. Look how it looks like. Feel like eating it right now. So here we have the rice already, and I'm gonna be eating it with rice. I did not put rice into details because I have it already in the previous videos. So this is how it turned out, guys. Look at it. So it's done, and that is it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.